What's the meaning of connivance? Connivance. Connivance.
Connivance. Connivance. Connivance refers to the act of knowingly allowing or ignoring wrongdoing, typically for personal gain. It can be considered a form of passive or indirect participation in illegal or unethical activities, such as fraud or corruption. The result of connivance can often be devastating, as it enables the continuation of harmful behavior and undermines trust in institutions and individuals. In some cases, those who engage in connivance may face legal or reputational consequences, while others may suffer directly from the harm caused by the wrongdoing.